What's up, nerds and virgins? I'm APE Crypto, and today I'll be talking about Cardano NFTs. And I'll be talking about 3 CNFT projects that are currently in minting phase that I believe have 100x potential. The potential to get you out your mum's basement.
Hold up, wait a minute.
So if you appreciate that and you want to see more of these videos, make sure you like this video, subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell, because I'm dropping these NFT videos daily, so you do not want to miss anything. So the first project that I believe has 100x potential is Tiger Society. Tiger Society is a great project and that's caught my eye, and I'm very bullish on this. For one, most importantly, they got dope and original art that is pretty much unseen on Cardano, and it's not another shit show Cardano copy. Cardano this, Cardano that, and it's not completely taking Ethereum style. So I really like that. I also like their roadmap, and I believe this will serve them very well in the near future. They're going to have their first release of 10,000 tigers coming up this week, and in Q4 of 2021 they're also going to have their baby cub tiger breeding as well, which after this huge successful drop, I believe they'll be big too. And next year they've got mutant tigers coming too, so getting on first drop now could be a very good idea, and I know for sure I'm definitely doing that myself. In just a couple of days they've gained quite a bit of traction, gaining almost 1,000 followers and almost 1,000 members in the Discord group, and I believe this will continue to grow as the art is dope and they've got a good community. So I can see this project absolutely exploding and most likely having a floor of 100 as the hype builds and the FOMO comes in after smart contracts. It's a super dope collection, and I believe it will do very well and potentially 100x, especially if you pull around one. I'm minting a shit ton of these, and if you want to lose your virginity, I suggest you do too. The next project that I'll be minting, that's actually happening very soon, is Very Important Dummies. Very Important Dummies is only a collection of 3,500 dummy portraits, and the art looks incredible. And like Tiger Society, is very unique, and I would definitely be copying a couple of these. I think the art is dope, and this will resonate with the Cardano community, and it will ultimately blow up. They haven't even minted anything yet, and they've got over 2,000 followers, and over 2,400 members in the Discord group. And I can see these numbers continuing to grow. The art is dope, the community is huge, so I'll definitely be getting a couple of these. And if you want to get in on these, it is on the 10th of September at 6 PM BST, so make sure you're there to mint one of these. There's only 3,500, so they'll be really scarce, and I think the floor will be quite high for these, so make sure you get in on this. The third and final project I'm covering for today's video is High Stakes. I covered this in my last CNFT video, but it's still relevant today as it's still in minting phase. I can't figure out for the life of me why this hasn't been fully minted out yet, but I'm also grateful because I'm getting as much as I can, because these are absolutely dope. They're a collection of 5,000 NFT digital collectibles, and they're literally stakes that are stoned, and they all have their own stories. This project's funny as, and they've also got another project coming after this called Baked Potatoes, and they'll be rival gangs. The art is original as hell, it's clean, and it's funny, and I think this will resonate with the Cardano community, especially when you get all the stoners from Ethereum coming over. When Cardano gets a heap of traction after smart contracts, Cardano will be the supreme leader. So there you have it, that's 3 CNFT projects that are still in the minting phase or about to be in the minting phase that you can cash in on. The minting phase is literally the chance where you can get them at the lowest prices possible and then flip them for a ton, or keep them and hold on to them, as if it's good art and they've got a good community, it will most likely appreciate in value. For all of these projects, I see a minimum of a 188 floor and a spot in the top 20 and a spot in the top 20 for CNFT projects. If you want more info on these projects, I'll leave the links to their website and their Discord and all that shit in the description below. So make sure you check that out if you're interested in these NFTs. I'm personally going to get all of these as I believe it's a good opportunity and I believe I'll make a good amount of money on them. Anyway guys, that's all from me. Hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you like this video and subscribe to the channel to make the most amount of gains in this crazy NFT bubble that we're in right now. I'm APE Crypto. I'll see you all next time.